So today I'm going to show you how to order a free Cash App debit card. Now we're going to do this in real time on our iOS device so you can follow along in real time. Now here we're on the home page. You can see right over here we're with the $sign, and we want to go ahead and look to the left right over here with the card icon for the app. And that's going to take us to the card section. And right over here, you're going to see this that says get your free card. And let's show you all the questions it will ask you step by step. Now, really quick, if by chance you do not already have a Cash App account, check out the link in the show notes down below to go ahead and sign up for a free account and get a nice sign up bonus. All right, so let's go ahead and click on get your free card. And the first thing it's going to ask you is to choose your style. It's set up as classic here, but you can also click over on metal and it'll show you all the different metal options. Now, of course, there is a higher price point there. You can see there are a few other options that are only $5, but if you want the free version, it's either the black or the white option that will not cost you anything. So click on whichever option works best for you. Now here on the next step, it will give you the option to go ahead and customize your card, which means on the bottom right-hand side of the card right over here, you can actually put some kind of like signature. You can actually even put an emoji if you want to, which will take you to a screen that will be turned horizontal. So you can either scribble in or plug in that emoji. And then you can go ahead and move on to the next step, which would be then ordering the card. Now, if you don't want to do the customization, no worries, you can just click on order card. So inside of the customization, you can actually see I went ahead and customized mine with an emoji of a cactus. You can actually also remove your cash tag if you wanted to, or even just have one emoji on, like I said, on the bottom right. So lots of different options for customization. So once everything looks great here for you, let's go ahead and click on order card. So next up here, it's going to verify the address that the card will be sent to. So just verify that all this information is correct. It should have already pre-populated with the address you have on file. If everything looks good, we're going to go ahead and click on next. Now from here, it's going to ask you to go ahead and confirm your cash PIN for your personal account. So go ahead and plug in the 4-digit PIN. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and get a review for everything. I actually don't have that available. It stopped on my recording here. But once you get that confirmation with all the reviews, you can go ahead and continue on and have your debit card ordered and mailed directly to you. Now, there is more to learn when it comes to utilizing Cash App, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.